You can use our index checker if you have a large website or want to check the indexing status of multiple pages. After logging into your Marketing Miner account, click the Create Report button at the right top corner. As we want to check the indexing status of our pages, we have to start with selecting the country, which you can quickly change here, and selecting the index checker tool. In the next step, there are more ways how to enter your list of all web pages we want to crawl. You can either do it manually by simply copy and pasting your list, or importing data from a file, or uploading the URL of a sitemap, or connecting the external tools as well. In this case, we know the sitemap link, so we will enter that. Don't forget to add your report name as well, or apply tags, and click the upload button. Now we see that this sitemap has 16 pages. So let's check them by importing data. All looks fine, so now it's time to analyze the data. If you work with large amount of data, you can simply just close the window and the report will be sent to your email. Well, our report is now ready, so let's take a look. In the Data Overview tab, you can quickly filter out those web pages that are not indexed or there is some issue with them. You can simply do it by clicking on the top of the column or filtering down by using different keywords. If you see any indexing issues in your report, you can then analyze them with our indexability checker to find out the reason why they are not indexed and what you can do to resolve the issue. I hope you found this tutorial useful, and as always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask us on the live chat.